have time to play through this video like I normally do. Have music playing, just jamming throughout. Today is going, my voice is deep. What? Is it early? It's 11 o'clock. Yeah, it's still early. So this is gonna be a get ready with me video. I will be out in the elements today, so I'm gonna make sure whatever it is I put on stay matte. I am an oily girl, so I know I'll probably be blotting throughout the day. Such is life. So let's get started. We're not about to make this video long drawn out. I'm gonna start off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade dark brown, and I am already behind schedule. I've been up for several hours, and for whatever reason just decided to, let me go ahead and get dressed. I'm already behind. It's ridiculous.
Now these brows look a hot mess. They really do. But we're going to do a little reviving. They look a mess. They look real bad. Ain't even gonna lie. Ain't even gonna lie. And I really want to wipe this off and start over. But devil is a lie. We gotta get out of here. So say what? What'd you say about that process? Okay. Alright, let's get going. Deep. And I am going in with this top brown right here. It's the darkest of the browns. Yeah, it is. Alright, so did we bring them back to life or no? We brought them back, sis. We revived them.
Okay, so we're gonna skip. We're gonna leave the brows. We're gonna leave the brows where they are. We'll come back, touch them up a little bit. Let's get into this primer because I am gonna be outside. We're going for the gusto today. We're using Becca. Old Faithful Juvias Place. It's not Old Faithful. This is New Faithful. New Faithful Juvias Place. Malawi, shade 230. Y'all know my last video I used Gabon 300, but we're gonna go with Malawi. I may mix it, just because I want to. Do I have to have a reason? But no, I think mixing the two, it will, the shade will be even more so of a better match than Gabon, because the Gabon is, I think Gabon is deep on me. So this is Malawi.
As you see, I'm not going in with a color correct. I'm just going straight for that foundation. Malawi. Maybe I won't mix it. It seems like I put a lot. Really? Just about. It's not the basement. So this is Malawi. I'm gonna blend this out on one side and then make the decision. I'm gonna spray my Morphe 439 brush with just a little coconut water. Just to see if I want to mix Malawi. Gabon. But right now this is 230 Malawi. Feels like this has olive undertone.
Let's just mix a little Gabon under. Lord, I got all this foundation on my face. Yeah, I use a lot of foundation. Alright, so this is Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 3C13. I'm running out. I think I bought more C12 and not C13. I don't know why. I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance. This is Golden Almond setting finishing powder, just to set under my eye. I don't bake. I don't do well with baking. I don't know why. So I'm literally just blending this in.
And then I'm gonna go in to set the rest of my face with the Soft Focus. This is Soft Focus shade Milk Chocolate.
I am going to set my whole face with a Dermablend because I need for this to stay, to stay. So, and this is the Dermablend, what shade? Banana. And we're just gonna do a little bit, and then I'm gonna set my whole face, and I'm just gonna dab all of this in. I'm not gonna bake.
Spray my face so we can melt these powders. I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, which is amazing. Woo. And yes, we drenched. Overdrenched, maybe? No such thing.
I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance CoverGirl bronzer and just shape my face a little bit. We'll do Toby and Zane today. Just a tad bit of Zane. Not, ooh. Yeah.
I'm going to Fenty Moscow Mule. It's so pretty. It's like a pretty rose gold. So pretty.
Nice rose gold highlight. It's nice and pretty, right? Saturday, about to be in these Atlanta streets, and we gonna make it do what we do. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If it was simple enough for you, go ahead and like it. And if you're not, and if you have not, Jason, be quiet. Please do so. Like the subscribe button, click that button. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you tomorrow. Signing off. Little face.
Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a fantastic day. And until...
God bless you. Bow your head. Let's pray. Thank the Lord for all the little faces guys that watch this video. Lord, thank you. Amen.
Thank you
Now,
so
go subscribe. I hope you know.
Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time.